Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the font on WPS Office. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below, and we just quickly move on to the video.
So to change the font in WPS Office, go to the setting here, click the setting, click the theme setting. You can just go by this method, or you can just choose from the icon and you just click on here, and you can see go to this custom, and here there was here font setting. There are huge number of font, there is large number of font. You can see every font and you can change easily font, and every font in the UI will be changed. And you can also increase the percentage to 150% or 125% according to the font size that you want. So, and different font make a different sizes, so you can at the time you can minimize the percentage of the font size. So this option was so useful because some font style was so bigger and some font style was so small, so you can make the percentage size of the font to your convenient. And this here you can see a Microsoft font and any symbol font, and also in different type of font it's going on, and you can select your favorite font from here. It will be applied on overall the UI for the Word or presentation or Excel. Wherever you go, the font will be on the screen, and it will be you can easily change the font, or you can have a reset setting on the bottom, so you can easily reset the font that defaultly WPS Office provided. So you don't worry about that, you can easily have a reset setting on down.
Friends, if you find this video useful, don't forget to click on subscribe button below, share this video, like this video, and if you want to know more about YouTube tips and Instagram tips, follow this channel, and we will meet on next video with your valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.